How do you properly label the x-axis in Python bar charts? Imagine you're trying to tell a story with your data. The labels on the x-axis are like the words in that story, guiding your viewers through what each bar represents. When creating bar charts in Python, especially using the Matplotlib library, labeling the x-axis correctly makes your chart clear and easy to understand. So, how do you do it properly? Let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to decide what your x-axis labels will be. If you have categories like fruits or countries, you can directly pass a list of strings to the bar function. For example, if you want to show the number of apples, bananas, and cherries, you can write plt bar apples, bananas, cherries, 10, 15, 7. The list of strings becomes the labels for each bar, making it obvious what each one stands for. Another way is to use numerical positions for the bars, like 0, 1, and 2, and then assign labels separately. You can do this with the ticklabel parameter, plt, bar range 3, 10, 15, 7, ticklabel is equal to apples, bananas, cherries. This approach is handy if you want more control over where the labels appear. Sometimes your labels might be long or there are many categories. In that case, the labels can overlap or become hard to read. To fix this, rotate the labels using plt. Xdix, rotation is equal to 45 or plt. Xdix, rotation is equal to 90. Rotating makes the labels easier to read and keeps your chart neat. If you prefer a horizontal bar chart, you can switch to bar, which places labels on the y-axis, often making them clearer when there are lots of categories. Adding a descriptive label to the x-axis itself is also important. Use plt, xlabel, fruit types, to tell viewers what the categories are about. This small step makes your chart more understandable at a glance. You can also customize the appearance of the labels, like changing the font size or color with commands like plt, xlabel, fruit types, font size is equal to 12, color is equal to blue. For even more clarity, you can add value labels on top of each bar. This involves looping through each bar, getting its height, and placing a number slightly above it using axtext. This way, viewers see both the category and the exact value at a glance. Here's a quick example. Import Matplotlib, pyplot as plt. Define your categories and values, then create the bar chart. Rotate the x-axis labels if needed, add an axis label with plt, xlabel, fruit types, and loop through the bars to add value labels on top. When you run this, you'll see a clear, well-labeled chart that communicates your data effectively. So, to properly label the x-axis in Python bar charts, start with clear category names, manage label orientation for readability, add a descriptive axis label, and optionally include value labels on the bars. These steps make your charts more understandable and visually appealing, helping your audience grasp the story your data is telling.